Hey everyone, Chris with Coalition Gaming here, and we have a giveaway for you all. Stay with me. So a while back, EVGA had their 19th anniversary contest, and something that they started last year was you submit a 30-second commercial featuring EVGA products, also a little bit of a theme thrown in, and if you win, you get a custom computer or whatever happens to be the case. Last year we won it. That's the computer back there, and it'll also be linked in the video right up here. We did a whole video on that. Make sure to check that out. It's a really awesome computer. We entered again this year, and although we are the rightful winners in our opinion, we only got 4th place. So with that said, 4th place still got us some cool stuff, but you know what? We want to pass some of that stuff on to our viewers. So we have a giveaway of the X299 Micro Motherboard. So this is the motherboard. Also, we won this Western Digital Black M.2 NVMe 1TB SSD. This is actually going to go really good in that system because that system, the system that we won last year, only came with a 240 gig SSD. So we need a bit more space in order to properly utilize it, and this is going to be a huge help to that. So this is the X299 Micro Motherboard from EVGA, one of the better motherboards for the X299 platform in general. And it is a beefy little motherboard. Micro ATX is the form factor, so you can actually build a really awesome smaller form factor computer with this one. You have Optane support, M.2 support, NVMe. You have all the SATA ports you can want. It's, like I said, X299, socket 2066, Skylake X, Kaby Lake X, any of them i9s will be rocking on this thing. With that said, check out the commercial.
Some people have big plans after school. You know what Chris is going to do? And Wayne too? Chris is hard at work getting frags on his EVGA equipped gaming computer. Amazing! But Wayne is stuck using a non-EVGA ancient dinosaur of a system that can't even play Fortnite. Wow, look at Chris playing in 4K at 144 FPS. And Wayne can't even get 10. You'll always get superior performance with EVGA. The EVGA Autron 87 is the most powerful computer in the world. The sky's the limit, only with EVGA.
So there you have it. That's the commercial. Hope you guys liked it. Again, leave a comment. Let us know what you like. Let us know what you plan on doing with this motherboard if you win it. Hit that like button. Subscribe. We always got more coming. Subscribe to Wayne's channel. That will also be linked below, also in the Gleam. And we'll see you guys in the next video. We always got more coming. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you. Bye.